Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will start with phrasal verbs. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो उसको लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. So phrasal verbs are formed when a verb is followed by another word. So verb के बाद कोई अगला शब्द आएगा तो then phrasal verbs बनती हैं, which is known as participle. So the another word is known as participle. The participle may be an adverb or a preposition. The verb plus adverb or a preposition. The verb and the participle together form completely different meaning from the verb alone. तो जो combine होके जो meaning आता है that is completely different from the verb alone. The usage of phrasal verb in writing and speech is considered good. So some of the examples of phrasal verbs are like ask around. Ask around means ask many people the same thing. Add up to something. Add up to something means it is equal to something. So blow up. Blow up means to explode. Break down, stop functioning. So we can say the machine has broken down. Then break in. Break in means enter forcefully. Then break up. Break up means end a relationship. Call off. Call off means cancel. The meeting was called off. Catch up, to get to the same point as someone else. So we'll catch up on this topic later. Cheer up. Cheer up means become happier. Chip in. Chip in means help. So your help, you may chip in uh, for the classes. Come across. Find unexpectedly. Count on means rely. So if you rely on something, you say that I am counting on him. Do away with, discard. I am doing away with my bad habits. Dress up, wear nice clothes. So let us get dressed up for the party. Drop out, quit a class. It means Rohan had dropped out ninth. Eat out, eat in a restaurant. And fall apart. Fall apart means break into pieces. Figure out, so understand. So I figured out that this formula comes from Newton's third law of motion. Find out means discover. Get along means like each other. So Rohan and Seema got along with each other in the party. Get back means return. I'll get back to you on this. So I'll return back. Give up. Give up means stop trying. Never give up and always move on. Go ahead means start. Grow up. Grow up means become an adult. Kids are growing up fast. Hand in means submit. Hang on means wait for a short time. So hang on for some time here. I'll be right back. Hang up means end a phone call. He hung up my call. Let down means fail to support. Never let down your employees. Look after, take care of. So look after. Rohan looked after his mother well when she was not well. Look for means try to find. I am looking for the medicine. Make up, forgive each other. So we made up after mother interfered. Pass away means die. Pass out means faint. He passed out. Pay for means be punished for something. You'll have to pay for your wrongdoings. Put off means postpone. Let us put it off for some time. Run into, meet unexpectedly. So when I went to the concert, I ran into my boss. Run out, have none left. I am running out of stock, set up, arrange. So I've set up the stage for the performance. Sleep over, stay somewhere for the night. So friends are sleeping over Rohan's house today. Sort out, resolve a problem. Take after, resemble someone. Take off, start to fly. The aircraft will take off in 30 minutes. Think over, consider. Turn down, refuse. The proposal was turned down. Turn up, appear suddenly. Wear off means fade. And workout means exercise. Let's go for a workout. So these are all the phrasal verbs. So now we'll see the types of phrasal verbs. So first type is verb plus adverb with no object. Means in a sentence there will be verb and adverb, but then there is no object. So in this type the verb and adverb cannot be separated. तो verb और adverb दोनों को साथ ही रहना पड़ेगा. तो cut back, end up, go off, run out जैसे कि वी हैव रन आउट ऑफ एक्स. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कि ऑब्जेक्ट जो है सो वी कैनॉट पुट सेपरेट रन एंड आउट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो वी हैव टू से रन आउट ऑफ एक्स. रन eggs out will be incorrect. Okay, then verb plus adverb plus object or verb plus object plus adverb. This is type 2. तो इसमें क्या है, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में कभी एडवर्ब आ जाता है और वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद में भी एडवर्ब आता है. जैसे कि फाइंड आउट, गिव वे, पुट ऑफ, ट्राई ऑन. इसमें क्या होता है, इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ नाउन द एडवर्ब कैन गो बिफोर द नाउन. जैसे कि शी वॉन्ट्स टू ट्राई ऑन द ड्रेस. सो शी वॉन्ट्स टू ट्राई ऑन द ड्रेस में ड्रेस इज अ नाउन. सो जो है एडवर्ब है वो हमारा नाउन से पहले, दैट इज ऑन जो है हमारा नाउन से पहले आ गया है. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ नाउन द एडवर्ब कैन गो आफ्टर द नाउन ऑल्सो. जैसे कि शी वॉन्ट टू ट्राई द ड्रेस ऑन. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. देन इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्रोनाउन दैट इज इट, देम, हर, एटसेट्रा, द वर्ब एंड एडवर्ब कैनॉट बी सेपरेटेड. द एडवर्ब कम्स आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे कि शी वॉन्ट्स टू ट्राई इट ऑन. Whereas if we say she wants to try on it, that is incorrect. So it is important to practice understanding and using phrasal verbs. So इसमें जो है आपको practice करना पड़ेगा, then only you will be able to understand it in a much better way. Sometimes an alternative to phrasal verb may sound too formal. जैसे कि put down, make someone feel inferior. तो अगर हम formally बोले तो we'll say the teacher likes making the students feel inferior. So this seems too formal. तो अगर हमें इसको phrasal verb में लिखना है तो we'll write teacher likes putting the students down. So this is informal. Then is type 3, that is verb plus preposition plus object, that is break into, pick on, turn into, get over. So with this type of phrasal verbs in English grammar, it is not possible to separate the preposition from the verb. तो इसमें जो है verb और preposition दोनों इकट्ठे रहेंगे. जैसे John picked on little Mary. So this is the correct statement. Whereas John picked on her, this is also correct statement. Whereas if we say John picked little Mary on, so this is incorrect. तो picked और on को हमें इकट्ठा ही रखना पड़ेगा. John picked her on, this is also incorrect. Okay. Next is verb plus adverb plus preposition plus object. तो इसमें क्या है, examples are put up with, do away with, come out in, come up against. So in this category they have two participles. जैसे कि put up with, away with, out in, up against. So they cannot be separated from the verb. So the government wants to do away with tax on children's food. So do away with जो है हमें, we have to keep it together. Next is she can't put up with students arriving late to class. So put up with, we have to keep them together. Again, she can't put up with them arriving late to class. So whatever we use, but then we have to make sure that put up with, we keep them together. So verb और adverb and prepositions जो हैं हमें इकट्ठे रखना पड़ेगा. So now we will move on to exercises. Choose the correct phrasal verb to fill in the blanks in the following sentence. So first one is, I dash, but nobody has seen my wallet. So I asked around, but nobody has seen my wallet. You'll have to run faster than that if you want to dash with Marty. So you'll have to run faster than that if you want to catch up with Marty. I don't feel like cooking tonight. Let's eat out. So let's go for a restaurant. So let's eat out. I'm not being able to dash his intentions. So I'm not being able to figure out his intentions. I'm not being able to understand his intentions. The two brothers don't dash with each other much. So the two brothers along, don't get along with each other much. The spider taught Robert Bruce to never give up. The spider taught to never give up. Dash, I'll be there with you soon. So it is hang on, I'll be there with you soon. Sam and Clara's wedding has been dashed for a few days. So Sam and Clara's wedding has been put off for a few days. I'm planning to have a dash at my place soon. So I'm planning to have a sleepover. So friends will come there and they will sleep over. So this is till 9th, 10th. The twins have dashed their mother more than their father. So इसमें क्या होगा? Twins have taken after their mother more than their father. Don't make a hasty decision, dash and get back. So don't make a hasty decision, think over and then get back. Jim likes to dash in the gym after a hard day's work. So Jim likes to work out in the gym. How will I bake the cake? We have dash of sugar. So how will I bake the cake? We have run out of sugar. You will dash your mistakes one way or the other. So you will have to pay for your mistakes. The teacher gave the last warning to the students to dash their projects. So teacher gave the last warning to the students to hand in their projects, to submit their projects. Okay. So this was one. So next is choose the correct option which expresses the phrasal verb given in the following question. जैसे कि first is add up to. Add up to means it is equal. Breakdown means stop functioning. The machine has broken down. Call off. The meeting was called off. So to call a meeting, to cancel a meeting. Fourth one is chip in. Chip in means help. Count on means to rely on somebody. I'm counting on him to help me with the project. Go ahead means to start. Next is seventh is let down. Let down is to fail to support. Then is 8b, that is faint. Pass out is to faint. Set up means to arrange. Then is take off. Take off means to starting to fly. The aircraft will take off in few minutes. Turn down. Turn down means to diffuse. The proposal was turned down. Wear off means to fade. Sort out means to resolve a problem. The problem was sorted out. Make up means to forgive each other. Then and next is get back. it means return. I'll get back to you on this. So this was about phrasal verbs. These are all the answers. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my video, please do subscribe, and please like the video and share it with your friends also. So until next video, I wish you all the luck and happy learning. Bye bye.